We have places to go and things to do today. Our ultimate destination is a resort on the Sarapiqui River. We take a rest stop at the iguana tree. In spite of their name, green iguanas come in several colors depending on where they live. In Costa Rica, the mature iguanas are a reddish orange. This guy looks happy and well fed. A couple more hours down the road and we see more reptiles at our lunch stop. These poison dart frogs come in several color morphs. The Ticos call this one the blue jeans frog. But the best part of this lunch was watching the birds eat theirs. It's time for some exercise. We stop at La Selva, the premier ecological research station in Costa Rica. Students from all over come here to study this combination of old-growth tropical rainforest and regenerating forests. Not too much further down the road is our destination, Sueño Azul, Blue Dream. This is quite a place. There's lots to explore. But that's for tomorrow. We have a nice dinner and settle in for the night. We wake to the sound of rain. The rest of the group is headed for rafting and ziplining. Sherry and I decide we'll kick back and enjoy Sueño Azul and the rain. The buildings are all connected with covered walkways. The butterflies and birds go about their business, ignoring the rain. We watch the Sarapiqui River rise as the rain just keeps coming. We visit the rodeo. The horses seem to be guarding this little foal. There are tropical plants everywhere. Just outside the rooms, on one wing, we find several of the blue jeans frogs. We join the returning rafters in the bar and have a late lunch. The pleasant rain continues, and we explore more of the garden. In the morning, it's still raining. We pack up and say goodbye to Sueño Azul and its garden of delights. Sueño Azul offers one more challenge, its hanging bridge. There's a 3-ton limit, so our bags go across without us. Then we walk across in the rain. We're headed to San Jose today, and I'm sure Ronald and Jenny have some surprises for us. The first one is how heavy the truck traffic is on this narrow twisting road. This tunnel will take us under the Continental Divide and into the Central Valley. After we're safely through, Jenny tells us the tunnel is called the Tunnel of Death because of the accidents. Everything, including the weather, gets better when we stop at Sibu Chocolate. George Soriano, one of the owners of Sibu, explains to us the history, art, and science of chocolate. Sibu Chocolate is all handmade from 100% Costa Rican grown chocolate. George demonstrates the chocolate tempering process. Now the very best part, the tasting. After a very nice lunch, we buy chocolates and then head for San Jose. Our next surprise is San Jose traffic. With some difficulty, we arrive at our next destination, the Gold Museum. The museum has a collection of over 1,600 pre-Columbian artifacts dating back to 500 AD. The museum is located under the Plaza de la Cultura, which is next to the National Theater, our next stop. The National Theater is considered the finest historical building in San Jose. It was completed in 1897 when coffee exports were booming. We're too late for the last tour, but we can look around the lobby for a taste of the lavish furnishings. The theater hosts performances several times a week. The last bird picture. To avoid rush hour traffic, we drive through a part of San Jose most tourists don't see. This is not our hotel, but you can get a room here for $12 for 3 hours. Jacuzzi's $4 more. This one is our hotel. This is our last night of a great trip. We share a farewell dinner and say goodbye and thank you to all our fellow travelers and our new friends. Thanks to all the people who made this trip memorable, the captain and crew, and the onboard naturalists on the Sea Lion. And thanks to our drivers and especially Ronald and Jenny for enthusiastically showing us their country. Maybe just a couple more bird pictures.